how to cancel Sky Mobile contract step by step. So first thing that you need to do is simply log into your sky.com, or you can use your My Sky app, right? And on your My Sky app, make sure that you're logged into your account. And after doing that, now what you're gonna do is simply text PAC to 65075 from your phone to port your number and cancel automatically. Or you can even call the Sky customer support at their number. You can find their number via online very easily in order to cancel directly too. So yeah, that is all you need to do. All you need to do is simply get into their customer service contact. That will be much easier, and then from there simply tell them that you want to cancel your contract, and I'm pretty sure that they will be able to help you out. But like I said, alternatively you can also text PAC to 65075 from your phone to port your number and cancel automatically too. So yeah, that is exactly how you'll be able to do it.